Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Town of Women. Story. There was a town where only women lived. They were governed by a woman who was very strict and would not allow any of them to have relationships with any man. On one occasion, those women needed to carry out certain ceremonies that only the Awoses could perform. Nearby, on a neighboring island, some Awoses lived, so the leader of the women had to send for them. When the invitation arrived, the Awoses, under the command of their Olúo, boarded their vessels and arrived at the land of the women. The Olúo met with the chief of the women, and the Awoses quickly began to carry out the ceremonies. When they finished their work that night, each of the Awoses spent time with one of the women. When the chief saw what was happening, she decided the Awoses should return to their land. They did so under the order of their Olúo. However, the chief continued to secretly meet with the Olúo every day. When the other women found out, there was a great protest. They said, "Why can't we also be with men just like the chief?" This resulted in an uprising against the chief. Upon seeing the situation, she declared, "From this very moment, the Awoses may return to their work, and each woman may be with whichever Awo she likes." And so, happiness came to both sides. Note, this is where marriage was born. This Odu instructs people to get married,